I usually wake up at 7 a.m. on weekdays. We tried a new restaurant yesterday. I have lost my sunglasses somewhere. We went shopping at the mall last weekend. We went to the park last Sunday. They have been friends since childhood. I can't find my keys anywhere. She enjoys cooking Italian food. We are planning a trip to the mountains. He didn't like the movie at all. I have already finished my homework. The weather is getting colder every day. I usually drink coffee in the morning. She is learning how to play the guitar. We should leave early to avoid traffic. He works at a small company downtown. I forgot to call my sister yesterday. They were watching TV when I arrived. I don't understand this math problem. She bought a new dress for the party. I need to charge my phone before leaving. He always takes his dog for a walk. I'm not feeling very well today. She sings beautifully in the choir. We were surprised by the news. I like listening to podcasts while driving. He didn't know how to solve the problem. I will help you with your project. She is very good at painting landscapes. We had lunch at a small cafe near the station. I have never visited London before. He spends a lot of time playing video games. I don't want to go out tonight. She enjoys jogging in the park every morning. We met some interesting people at the event. I need to buy some groceries after work. He forgot his wallet at home. I have been studying English for 3 years. She likes to swim in the sea during summer. We watched the sunset from the hill. I need to clean my room this afternoon. He usually takes the bus to work. I didn't hear what you said. She has 2 younger brothers. We are going to the cinema tonight. I can't believe it's already September. He is interested in learning new languages. I often go for a walk after dinner. She looked very happy at the party. I need to finish this report by tomorrow. He doesn't like eating spicy food. I forgot to set my alarm last night. She is wearing a red jacket today. We were waiting for the bus for 20 minutes. I usually read a book before going to bed. He enjoys watching football on weekends. I can speak a little Spanish. She has been working here since January. We went hiking in the forest last week. I don't have enough money to buy it. He always remembers my birthday. I need to practice speaking English more often. She invited me to her birthday party. We were listening to music when it started raining. I am trying to eat healthier food these days. He doesn't understand why she is upset. I like to take photos of nature. She is very excited about the trip. We went to the beach last summer. I need to go to the bank today. He is watching a documentary on TV. I can't wait to see my friends this weekend. She speaks English very fluently. We are planning a surprise for her. I didn't expect it to rain today. She is always busy during the week. We visited a museum in the city yesterday. I need to write an email to my teacher. He didn't answer the phone this morning. I am going to the supermarket after work. She is reading a very interesting book. We stayed at a small hotel near the beach. I have never eaten sushi before. He likes to ride his bike in the park. I forgot to bring my notebook today. We saw a beautiful rainbow after the rain. I need to study for the test tomorrow. He doesn't enjoy cleaning the house. I am looking forward to the weekend. She always helps her friends when they need it. We were walking in the park when it started snowing. I like drinking tea in the evening. He has a big family with 4 children. I can't decide what to wear tonight. She enjoys traveling to new countries. She often goes to the library to study quietly. She loves reading mystery novels in her free time. He is always late for me.